Today I'll be showing us how to create products in Endow, and we're focusing today on meeting product types. So to create the meeting product type, go to the store overview page. You can find top products option and a plus icon there. Click on the plus icon and you're on your way to creating a new product, or you go straight to product and click on any of the plus icons there. Select your type, which is very important, meeting and consultation. Then you enter your product name. You need to select the product category. We're focusing on business and entrepreneur, would select that as a product category. So category will be business strategy because it's a meeting. That's what I expect to discuss there. Then you have to enter the product summary. Also, you need to select an image for your product to showcase your product because you cannot proceed without the image. Also, you need to enter your full product description. Please know that this is the session where you need to be as impressive as possible so you could sell your product. Also, the product name, being a meeting product type, is very essential because it literally just helps you sell your product. It prepares your audience for what type of products that you are dealing with or what to expect. So ensure that the product name is really catchy, and your product description, you can get as creative with it as you like by changing the font and all sorts. Then we're going to move to the payment type. Under payment type in pricing, you select if it's a single payment, it means it's just a one-time fee that needs to be paid for these products. If you want it to be a recurring meeting, you can select subscription and it will ask you the payment interval. Do you want the payment to be withdrawn every month, every week, bi-weekly, quarterly, and the likes? However, I'll be going with single payment. Then you need to enter the product price. I'll be entering $2. It's automatically a USD store. Under this pricing section, you can see options to add a discount, tax inclusion, additional fee, pay what you want. The pay what you want feature has a question mark in front of it, which explains what it means. Same as the tax inclusion. So with pay what you want, the customer gets to pay nothing less than the price you put, but they can choose to support you by paying more than the set price. If it's a free product, you can enter zero amount and it will be free automatically. If it's a tax inclusive product, you select tax inclusion, and whatever you put as a product price, the customer does not need to pay extra tax at checkout. That is what tax inclusion means. Then we have product variants. Under product variant, you can choose to add variant by maybe selecting a variant type. Then you can choose to enter maybe a deep dive session to show more details about it. So it's going to be different from the main product. Deep dive session. Then you enter the description to tell you, oh, this is maybe a 90 minutes meeting and you're going to have to pay more for this, or these are the things you're going to get in this meeting with extra tips, extra meeting time tips on business strategy. So you can just choose to label it like that. Then you add the price. The price could be less or more, even the same price if you will. So I'm just going to be putting $1.5 there as the price for this deep dive session. If I want it to be a single payment, I select single. If you want it to be a subscription, you select the recurring subscription option. It allows you to upload products as much as you want, and it also allows you space to enter link. So I'm just going to proceed to save this without any of those. Then you need to enter other product options. After the product variant, you can create as much variant as you like. You select the meeting details, which needs to display the meeting day and time and the frequency of this meeting. So the meeting day, I'll just select a random day. The meeting frequency, I don't want it to be what's it called. So I'm just going to select one off because I want it to be a one off. Then you need to select the meeting type. Do you want it to be a physical meeting alone? Do you want it to be just a virtual meeting where there's no physical gathering? Or do you want it to be both? So if you want it to be both, it means you select physical and virtual. Then you select your time zone. I'm just going to select time zone. Enter the meeting and location. Because you selected physical and virtual, there needs to be a physical location. It could be anywhere around the world. Then you select the virtual meeting platform. Most like I love to use Google platform because it's easier to get a link. Just note that if you a wrong link here, you will be unable to proceed with this product creation. So I entered Google as a platform and I've entered the link. If I want to add a promo code to this product specific, I'll just select the option to create a promo code and title the promo code with its name. Then I'll generate the discount. It could be auto generated, or I could just type in what I want. The discount amount, I could choose for it to be a percentage discount or a fixed amount. So the percentage discount, enter the percentage. If it's 10% of the payment, I want people to get discount on, or 20%, depending on your preference. Then you need to select the day and time where you want this promo to be active. When does it start? When does it end? It could be a welcome bonus for just maybe a week or 2 weeks from when you create the product. So this depends on your preference, and you could select the time zone where you want this promo code to be active. However, I'm not going to be creating a promo code, so I'll just uncheck this and I'll proceed to the last option of adding collaboration to this product. So to add collaborators to this product, just click on product collaborator and add collaborators. Then you can enter the email address of choice of the person you are inviting as a collaborator to your product. So if who you are inviting is not currently on Endow, you don't have a problem. You just need to ensure you enter their correct email address and it displays their name. The names on the email will be displayed to show that the email you entered is correct. If it doesn't display a name, it means that you need to enter the correct name so you can proceed. Then you can either choose for it to be percentage split or fixed amount. So I'm just going to choose percentage split 20%, and I'll proceed to save this, and there you go. You can just go ahead and publish your product. So your product is published now, and that's about it. Thank you very much. And if you have questions or inquiry, do not hesitate to reach out to us. Have a nice day.